Hi guys, hello. Hi guys, I think I am audible to you guys. So today what we are planning to do is initially we are discussing the stocks. Currently last week shortlisted some stocks and we took some position today and what's the update on that. Then how is our portfolio going and how we are selecting in a stock. This is a three topic currently we are planning to discuss in this live. And also one more thing, I think I am audible to. If I am audible, put in a hi in the chat. Okay, hi guys. So I think so we can continue the session. So I already said that what we are planning to discuss in this session. So initially, what we are expecting in this week in the market, and second one, we shortlisted some stocks in last week, and what's the current status of that stock. And also third one, how we are creating a portfolio and how we are selecting in a stock. And so what is the updates on our existing stocks we are holding. Okay, so as you guys all know that so currently in market, by looking at the social media and every news, you can see more thing about this one, silver. And what is the next metal we want to invest. So you guys already know that those who are following us for a long time already know that we already have in a good position in silver. So we purchased silver bees on last August, August 25th. So on price of 110. Right now, you guys can see the graph itself. It's an exponential growth we got almost, and also I will share the profits I got in my personal accounts too. We are in currently sitting in a profit of 150 percentage. So 152 percentage currently we got today. Also, it's up by more than 5 percentage. So so like that, so previously also in another commodity, in gold we took in a position on last January also. In that period also we clocked around more than 30 percentage. So currently we are shortlisted some more, position in commodities as well as metal stocks. So why this metal stocks price is pumping? There is several things happening in the market, like US market uncertainty. In the market also is there. And also many of the guys are, the demand supply of silver. So also that the major thing was uncertainty in the market. So last January 3rd also in gold we took some entries, and we got almost 30 percentage in that bearish market. So you can see that on January 3rd onwards, see, we took gold, and gold performed more than 30 percentage, and we deployed almost 30 percentage in capital also in gold. So at that time market was very bearish, you can see the graphs. So in that period market went down up to 17 percentage, but for good sake we already have a position in gold in 30 percentage. And one and only stock didn't hit the trailed SL or SL, that's Bajaj Finance. Bajaj for finance also performed very good. So in that period, we only hold one debt fund and Bajaj Finance and Gold Bees. So I got on a question, sir. Their platform for India market. Can you check it out right now? Name. Yeah. So I think he delete something. I mean, it's an ad or something like that. Somebody put their own ad. Easiest way to get good traction. So that's it. So I will explain which are the stocks currently we are planning to take an entry in this week. So initially we can check. We have a methodology for selecting the stock. I think many of you already know that how we are selecting a stock. First of all, we will look at the long build-up of the Friday week end. So Friday we will look at the long build-up of the stock. Then we will, I mean, in that we will shortlist five stocks. Then we will go for the seasonality. Seasonality, though, I mean, we can get the data from there. I will show you guys. So last week, Federal Bank was top in long build-up. So seasonality to every product have a seasonality like Diwali season some commodity some commodity prices will increase like gold's price will increase and also essential goods prices also will increase and also textile industry also will boost. So in some season some stocks will perform very good and also sometimes it will did not perform that much. So with respect to that performance we collected 15-year data, and 15-year data so we will get an average value of each and every month they performed, and also each and every month total performance of every year performance, in overall. Okay, so like that while checking Federal Bank performance in last overall in January was in a slight negative. While taking February also, it's in a slight negative. So coming months, we are not seeing any that much bullish moment. But while checking the seasonality, you can see that March, April, May, June, July, it's performing extraordinary. And as well as September, October, November also performing good. Only the August month also it's showing negative. By checking like that it's showing, by checking we are seeing like that. Okay, so we can't even go with the we can't take any position in Federal Bank, but still you can see that in today Federal Bank perform more than 3% I think. Okay, so Federal Bank last day we shortlisted this one. Today alone it performed more than 3%, but still we are not holding that because of negative in the seasonality. Okay, and one more thing I want to discuss with you guys. I will show with the example of uh, today's long build-up and things. So CG Power, Polycap, Kolpal, Hindustan Singh, and Policy Bazaar are showing in top in long build-up. So we can just check the seasonality of all of these stock first. So I already explained one more. I will give an uh, I mean brief introduction how we are selecting a stock. This is one of the methodology we are following. First, we will check the long build-up and shortlist five stocks. So this is our in-house tool named Livelong Wealth FNO Trader, built for ourselves. For Livelong Wealth purposes. You can also take the axis. So I will share in the comment box. One second. So you guys can also utilize the chance. You will get 1 week free. Access to this platform. And also I will give a shortcut for getting more time. You can change the mail ID and you can take the access as long as you want to get in free. If you feel like you are, I mean, this platform is enough to, I mean, help you in selecting stock, doing FNO and everything, you can take the subscription also. Okay. Then, yeah, got a question. Yeah, so can I buy silver now? So as per the view on silver, right now the demand supply, while thinking about each and every product, demand is high but supply is very less, and also China is limited the supply. They are not giving, silver to outside. I mean, physical silver to outside, so they are not doing exporting of silver. So right now, probably it will, I mean, price of the silver will increase. Okay. So that's we are expecting. Still, you can invest. I will suggest for investment, but still you can see that there is an extraordinary movement happened in last 4 months. So last 4 months, though, it moved around 150%. So we can expect a correction. So I will suggest you to don't take the limited risk. Okay, yeah, you can deploy. Right now, I only deployed 5% of the total capital. Okay, 5% of the total capital only I deployed in silver. Okay, like that you can do the proper portfolio management or risk management in this one. Okay, so you can, I will suggest you to, you can go with the an entry with silver, and also you can do SIP also. SIP also is, I mean, it's extraordinary because previously silver we used for an ornament purpose and some gifting purpose. Right now it's completely changed. It's for commercial production of EV solar panels like that. So purpose of silver completely changed. So there will be some also there is an demand supply issue also is there. Supply shortage is there. So with respect to that, there is more chance to it will go higher and higher. So you can do SIP on that also. Okay, I think Deepak, I already explained about the doubt you have already. Then regarding how we are selecting the stock. So first we will check the long built up and shortlist five stocks. You can see here, and after that we will look at the seasonality. See, after looking seasonality, we will feel like that it's favorable, then we will go for technical analysis. So with respect to this one, technical analysis will vary with respect to person. Okay, so first of all I will check CG power seasonality. We can check initially. So while looking at CG power, January month is pretty much good in performance. Okay, but and also February, but it's in a negative also. While comparing March, I mean, while taking 3 months together, like in a quarter, it's overall in profit. Okay, so we are selecting the stocks for sync trading to max to max we will hold in a stock 8 to 14 weeks. Okay, that means 3 to 4 months we will hold in a stock. So in that period it's showing in a positive. So seasonality it's showing very good. Then next we can go for technical analysis. While looking at the technical analysis, so everybody have their own style to do the technical analysis. Okay, with respect to me, I will first go with line chart. So why I am going with line chart, because I want to get in a zone, normally get support and to draw support and resistance. I will at least there will be three touch points, right? To easily understand the touch points, I am always initially go with line charts. Then I will draw the zones. Then after that I will set SL and targets. Okay, like that I am always working. So while looking this, you can see that here is in a zone. Normally we can see here is in a zone we can draw till this point as an SL point. And also resistance zone, to first resistance zone we can majorly see here. Then next target we can see here multiple touch points are there. So normally we are drawing two targets and one SL. Okay, so Okay, this is the first target I have drawn. So we are always try to keep risk reward minimum 1.5. So it's already 1.61. CG Power Industries, CG Power and Industrial Solution, I will suggest for we can go with. But still, normally for getting high momentum. So normally we are selecting in a stock with respect to their momentum. So normally we can see high momentum in all-time high breakout stocks. I mean, I will ask a question first. So if you guys are holding something, okay, it touch its all-time high or 52-week high, you guys are sell it, or I mean you will sell, or you will hold that, or you will buy more. Can you please comment those? So normally what we are doing, I will explain. Normally we will always try to take entry on all-time high or 52 all-time high breakout or 52-week high breakout, because there will not be any resistance on from that. The I mean entire company is I mean entire things will go and without any resistance. So we will get at least a momentum of 8 to 12 percentage growth in that. And also we will try to keep the SL as minimum. Okay, and also risk reward always we will try to keep minimum 1.5. Okay, so one guy is saying that he will hold expecting a breakout. Yeah, that's a major thing. I will show with an example here. You can see that. So uh, in last 2024, okay, I will explain with few stocks. 2024 we hold this, I mean BSE. BSE to September, September onwards, there is an all-time high breakout. So in this point also onwards, we hold the stock. Okay, we almost clock 82 percentage. Okay, we got almost 82 percentage in this one BSC alone. And also one more stock recently we added is Vedanta Limited. Vedanta Limited also you can, we are still holding Vedanta Limited. Okay, Vedanta Limited, you can see that first all time high we tried to go for this one, but SL got hit. Okay, then second to almost it touch or it break all time high, and a retest happened at that period. We took in a position in this one. So risk reward you can see 1.57, and it move around 30 percentage. Yeah, it's more around 29 percentage in overall. It's I think more almost 30 percentage. And right now we are holding the same quantity, and we trailed our SL to next level, and we are I mean we are still watching on that stock. Okay, so we only allocated 7 percentage of the capital in the stock. I will in our small case. Those anybody in here already subscribe our small case. So, yeah, like this, we are adding the stock. Okay, whether in a stock break all time high, we will always ready to. I mean, we are more impressed to take the entry. So when while breaking all time high and or 52-week high. Okay, so here you can see in CG Power, CG Power, it's almost went very down. Okay, but still, so but we can't see any momentum. I mean, still long build-up is there, but if it is 52-week high breakout or all-time high breakout, it's more. Good. We will consider more on that. Okay. So right now, I will suggest you guys to wait. We can analyze remaining four stocks. Polycap. So Polycap, you can see that January is in a negative and February is in a slight positive, and March also is showing negative. So we are not supposed to take any position in Polycap. And next, Colpal. So if you guys have any doubts on investment or any stock, you guys can ask directly. So Colpalto, you can see that these 2 months are very negative. So we are not going for this one. So normally we will took, shortlist a stock on Friday evening long with respect to Friday evening long build up. And we will analyze that one and shortlist the stock and draw the SL and target at that time. And we will take the entry at Monday morning. Everybody can do the same. And by using only this method, we almost clock more than 39% in average CAGR. So you guys can see here. So you guys can see here, we almost clock 39% average CAGR. Minimum investment is this much. And another, it is an Nifty 250 universe. That means large cap and mid cap oriented portfolio. And we added silver in this portfolio. So you can see the performance of this portfolio. It clocked around 30%. So 30%, I will share the link of this one also. So 1 year performance we got 29 percentage, and also while looking at alpha model also it performed more than uh, 23 percentage this year, and also max to max performance 125 percentage. And our major, most of the subscription we are getting in Livelong Alpha Smart Beta is an Nifty 250 universe based one, and you can see that in 3 year period, if you invested in equity mid cap, you will get 117 percentage growth. At that time we outperformed Nifty mid cap by more than 60 percentage. 60 percentage we outperformed, while comparing in Nifty 100 we outperformed by 123%, 21 percentage, 121 percentage we outperformed Nifty. And also you can see the drawdown period also. Drawdown also it's comparatively very less. So in last October, many of the investors are very scared about that time. Very scared at that time. So only drawdown happened is 7 percentage, while Nifty is correcting. We are tried to make an almost a loss in between 2 to 4 percentage. But when Nifty is feel like an average movement or something like that, we are always try to get 1.5x, like you can see with the graph. When we have more momentum than Nifty 100. Okay, so with respect to that, we are performing very good, and Nifty 250 universe, all the things explained here, you can just check it out if you want to subscribe. And also in this live, I will give a coupon code of uh, discount of max 30. Okay, 30% discount on purchasing this product. Max 30 you can use as a coupon code to subscribe this one. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Okay, then with respect to performance, it's going extraordinary. And also you guys can see that we almost double the capital within 3 years. Always almost try to triple the capital. Almost we got an 185 percentage returns in last 3 year time. So, and also you can see this while creating the portfolio also, I will explain most of the stocks are in mid cap and many are in large cap, and also the portfolio is hedged by some metal stocks. And also we will always try to max hold in one sector we will hold 40 percentage, max to max in one stock we will hold 30 percentage, not in stock especially in ETF. So already explained that in 2024, I mean 25 beginning, what we did in market by using gold bees. So we that's why we said that we at that time we holded gold bees 30 percentage. So that's why we get almost making a thumb rule like 30 percentage maximum holding in ETF or stock. Then third rule, we will max drawdown loss will be 10 percentage in one stock. And also we will add negatively correlated sectors at a time. So what is negatively correlated sector? Anybody, if anybody know that, please comment. So what is negatively correlated sectors? 1 second. What is negatively correlated sectors? So I will explain with an example. Okay, when there is an uncertainty in market like India, Pakistan, some issue happened in last year. So at that time, all the banking sectors went down up to 4%. Okay, up to 4 percentage, all the banking sectors went down. At that time, defense sectors went up to 29 percentage in average. So while adding these both, sectors at a time, what will happen when this one, banking sectors is not performing, defense sector will perform. Okay, in an defense sector will perform. So in a negative time also we will get a good profit. Same like COVID also, you guys can COVID, while comparing with COVID also, when banking sectors went up to 30 percentage down, then if you invested in pharma sector, that pharma boomed by more than 300 percentage. So like that, if we add negatively correlated sectors at a time, it will help you guys to get more. It will not affect the market correction. Will not help. Market correction will not affect your portfolio. Okay, so that's it. And next stock, Hindustan Singh. Hindustan Singh already we shortlisted that stock. This, while considering Hindustan Singh, February month is the only one and only month showing negative. So still we can hold that stock because while considering in a quarter, it's still in positive. Hindustan Singh we can shortlist. Then Policy Bazaar. So Policy Bazaar this month showing very negative comparatively. So we can we didn't shortlisting this one. Hindustan Singh we can do the technical analysis. So, so I already said that Hindustan Sink. So we already shortlisted and entered in this point. Right now, you guys can see that. So we already drawn this one also. 28 percentage we got in less than 20 trading days. Okay, in 30 trading days. So, so we ended from here. While time high breakout happened, 23 percentage, sorry. So we got 23 percentage from the all time high breakout. So this Hindustan Sink looking very good. So you, those who want to take an re-entry, you guys can take the re-entry, and you guys can keep the SL at this point or this point. Okay, so I will always suggest to make a 1.5. Okay, you guys can make a target of at 743 or a sell at 606. Okay, like that you guys can do. We can do line graph things. So line graph also we can take some buffers on. Yeah, okay, 7% drawdown or target of 12.54. Okay, like that you guys can do. Any other doubts you have, you guys can ask. If you have any doubts, you guys can ask. I think if you have any doubts, you guys can directly communicate with us, and we are ready to assist you. And thank you for your great valuable time. Okay, thank you guys.